Before we begin, it has to be said that the first generation BMW X1 had a very easily accessible battery. Open the boot, unclip the inner side cover behind the right rear wheel, and in the recess next to the boot floor, thus exposed, the battery would be staring you in the face. But all that changed when the F48 generation 2016-2022 X1 came around. With its switch from a rear-wheel drive-based design to a front-wheel drive-based platform, the X1's battery moved from the rear of the car to the front. It now resides just behind the engine, car's body, and due to the close proximity of critical electrical components, it's advisable rather to get a professional to handle this job. Nonetheless, we took the plunge and jumped into an X1's engine bay to show you just how much work this seemingly simple operation entails. The first step is to remove the ventilation tray cover under which the battery is mounted. First, remove the rubber sealing strip with red arrows by grabbing a hold of either end and peeling it away from the ridge upon which it is mounted.